Sini tuh bagi orang nih, om pakai debit tuh sabi, nggak kah?
Sari kaham bebang no. Good evening. Tene chung actually koromsara party TRIPURA Motha nengai mono railway station no. Chung agi bo aro kaisa station master no phai memorandum submit khlai kai. Sini memorandum ni subject tongo je agio Silchar to Agartala je train abo je lai solai thang ongoi tongmani tai kaisa Agartala to Silchar je train lai solai thang ongoi tongmani mono age stoppage rojago. Tot idaning abo COVID-19 ni ongoi abo 2019 abo taisa bond noin thangka chung abo no demand tin no taisa abo jate mono station stoppage rona bagai tini chung oro ni je GM sab North East Frontier Railway ni je GM bini thani chung tabung no memorandum chung jomarui phaigato bo chungno saka bo o memorandum no bo yasa gai naika bini oro je bin loge jate bini kormokarta tongna no saka obo immediate no karjokari khaina ngai jate oroni passenger subida ongna bagai abono dakti no brok processing andaro khlaina hini kor khabrok tai kaisa ong gachini duita te memorandum o station koreo kaisa sini lomba bil ni kaisa jagaro kaisa school tong high school o high school ni ase pase 200 family poribar tongo a poribar ni chrai khonai porena rok school lai solai thangoi tongo ar railway track crossing khai abo jate agami din taisa o railway overbridge construction khai o jate chrai rok lai solai thangona bai subidang no porasona khaina bagai abono botuni chung station je GM sab no chung o kongor ka to GM sab chung no sungka o funding no rok samone thane demand khai state government na central government na MP thani inge chung saka jeheto chinoro MP tongo member of parliament represent khai tongo borong reboti mohon Tripura chung bini throw hoite no aje budget no sanction khai dini chung GM sab no ok saka GM sab gosela ka bobo kok slaine hina MP sab bai. So today we have gathered here on behalf of party TRIPURA Motha under 48 Karamsara block committee, and before also we have submitted one memorandum regarding the train which is run away from Silchar to Agartala and Agartala to Silchar. Before it was stoppage in Manu station area. So today once again we demand and we appeal on behalf of our party that train should be stoppage once again in this Manu station, because most of the passengers are running from there, especially for treatment and the students for their further studies. So even there is a compact area this long travel under this Manu station. There is Nepal Tila, there is Chamunu, there is Swalengta, Manikpur, and Birashi 82 miles, Demsara, and Longtrai RF. So among all these sites, every day the passengers are gathered here. So for that, for their purpose, for their beneficial, we demand once again this train should be stopped in this Manu station area. And we have 2 point also we concluded that in this area one school is there, Lombabil High School. Beside this school, 200 families are living there, and most of those family students they have to cross the trackway station. So we demand to the GM under this track one overbridge should be constructed immediately, so that students can go away and they can go to the schools if there is no any other disturbance arises when train will running up and down. Yes, today we have submitted memorandum already to the GMs of North East Frontier Railway. If this demand is not implemented by the department or the government, further in our future, our demand will be, it may be larger in under demonstration. If the people are not getting any benefited from this, our memorandum will go to the bound for larger demonstration in future on behalf of our party TRIPURA Motha. I myself, Obviously Tripura, Block President 48 Karamsara, Party TRIPURA Motha. Thank you.